Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got a little turtle here. We were on the way to the property. He was walking along the road, so we decided to bring him down to the weir and let him go in some nice clean water. It looks like he's been buried in a dam somewhere. He's covered in mud, grass. Probably come out of hibernation and look for something to eat. So this is a weir. So we've got obviously a weir, a bit of a dam. Hold the water back up further for people to irrigate out of. This is on the way to the property, about halfway to the property. So we thought we'd just release him here in nice fresh water, and yeah. So lucky he wasn't hit by a car. Lucky the road he was on was a quiet road and just a dirt road. Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Hello again. So in today's video we're just going to go around and do the chores. I want to count all the animals that we have because I'm curious to see exactly like the number of animals that we have on our homestead. I can't just be like, boom, yeah, we've got like 25 animals. I don't know the actual total of animals. So while I'm doing my chores, I'm just gonna count them and see how many animals we have on our homestead. Let's do it. it's so windy and my hair is crazy. So when I said I don't exactly know how many animals we have, like I don't know the total number, I knew that we had 10 cows. So those were the cows and their babies. We've got 3 babies at the moment, 2 girls and a boy. We recently got another bull, Mighty, and the reason that he was in the cattle yards was because he's currently in quarantine. So basically when you're bringing new cattle onto your property, it's important to quarantine them just to make sure that they don't have any diseases or have any nasties attached to them or anything like that. So he's going to spend probably he's probably going to spend another 2 weeks in the cattle yards, but we feed them every day and we give them more than what they should, which is kind of crazy because lucerne and alfalfa and all that sort of stuff in Australia at the moment is crazy expensive due to us being in a large drought at the moment. But you know, the cows are important and it's important to keep them healthy. So, but right now we're going to go down to the chickens. This is what I'm unsure about. We're going to let them out, but as we're letting them out, I'm going to count the total number of chickens we have, because I know we've got 4 babies. We've got, I think, maybe 6. No, how many? I don't even know. We'll just wait until we go down there. But I'm just here getting some grain for them, and then we'll head down there now. Is that a good amount? How many eggs should we get a day?
5.
Yeah, I think 5 is a pretty good number. Girl one. How do you know that? They're getting a lot more friendlier, aren't they? Alrighty guys, so that is basically this video done. It was just going to be a short one just to show you all of our animals, especially for the new guys. I know there's a few of you that have just joined our channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. And for those of you who are still following our journey, thank you so much for being here and supporting us. We really appreciate it. But yeah, now I'm just going to give the garden a water and water some fruit trees.
And eat my strawberries.
Eat some strawberries before something else does. Give us a comment and let us know your thoughts on our animals, and feel free to share with your friends.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Strong.